limestone, clay, silica, and iron ore. 4 raw materials blended in exact ratios to create the perfect raw meal.
At 900 degrees Celsius, lime releases its CO2 in calcination, a critical chemical reaction that prepares.
At 1450 degrees Celsius, hotter than volcanic lava, the rotary kiln transforms raw meal into clinker.
Every batch is rigorously tested: compressive strength, setting time, chemical purity, and fineness before a single bag leaves this facility.
And that's how cement is made. From raw limestone blasted out of the earth, all the way to the powder that builds our cities and our world.